What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be working on a 2016 Honda Accord. We're gonna be replacing the alternator. The alternator went bad on this thing. What the fuck? So let's get started. All right, so you're gonna need a crescent wrench, 8mm, Allen socket, 12, 14, obviously your ratchet, and gonna need some pliers so that you can take out these clips here carefully, so you can put them back on the new alternator. What you want to do is disconnect the negative ground.
What?
That over to the side. You're gonna want to remove the tension, and you're gonna need a crescent wrench. And just tuck away the belt over to the side. So you're gonna want to remove that bolt.
A bit swear.
So obviously this, you're not supposed to use like a regular ratchet, but I don't have a breaker bar. So if this doesn't work, I'm gonna go to AutoZone and get a breaker bar. But let's try it out and see. Yep, that did the trick. Uh, 12mm bolt. I think it's 12. Yeah, 12. That'll be the round here. It's just a nut.
No homo.
Moved 14mm bolt on the top of the alternator so I could be able to push it over to the side or pull it forward to take off the 12mm bolt that's down there, still holding the tension. Alright, so that 12mm bolt right there has to be removed so you can take off the tensioner. So I'm gonna just remove the reservoir and put it aside so I can have more space. Alright, so now I'm gonna just remove the 14 mil bolt that's at the bottom of the alternator. And there you go. Now this is the bad alternator that needs replacement.
Oh shit, Sherlock.
Alright, so basically I already got the new alternator in. I just have to put back the bolts. Like I said, it's a reverse process. Alright, so the brand, well, not the brand new, but the junkyard alternator from I think it was like a 14 Accord is on. Don't forget to connect your battery and start her up. Alright, so as you can see, it started right up. Brand new alternator. Well, junkyard alternator. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the Acura build.